take a look at this. Wow. 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. This one has a great look in the black and red combination. See, black with red interior. Top is also black. It is a power top. Black vinyl, also in nice shape. As you can see, the paint, very nice luster to it. Good reflection in it. I'd say it's a nice driver quality paint. Underneath the hood, 289 V8. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Shifter on the floor. Buckets up front in this one. Brightwork, also in nice shape. As you can see, the front bumper. This car has had a frame-on restoration, I would call it, where the interior has been redone. Has had a repaint along the way somewhere. But you can see the black up and down the side of it, how nice and straight it is. Great looking wheels on these early 65s and 66s. That is not a wheel cover. That is an actual steel wheel. Alloy wheel, if you will. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can get a good close-up look at the wheels, the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. And the easiest way to get to our website, down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That's going to take you right to it. See sport mirrors both sides on this one. But again, look up and down the side. This kind of got the GT style red stripe on the bottom of that black. Really highlights the red interior, which is also in nice shape, obviously. Still retains a stock look from the dash, the carpeting, shifter, seats. Now, maybe you got a newer Mustang, you want to trade in an older one or a different kind of car, want to get into a Ford Mustang Convertible. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. We offer to arrange open or enclosed shipping. Can sure help you out with that. Come around to the back, the iconic Ford Mustang taillights. Dual exhaust. It's a nice sounding car. We'll fire it up here for you in a little bit too. Remember, if you want to check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, 507-386-1726. That's how you can reach us. What a great look. Take a look up and down the driver's side also here. Just get a good look at that. So nice and straight that black is. And of course, black will show the imperfections. All right. There's a nice red interior, door panels. Great shape. I did mention 289 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Power top, of course. Top does work fine. Goes up and down as it should. Lowered it before I did this video so we could get a little better look at this interior. Let's go ahead. I'm in park. I'm going to fire it up. Should start right up. Alright, see how easily it fires up. It does have a stock style AM radio in it. I did not mess around with that at all. I have not had the radio working, so just want to let you know on that. Again, take a look at the seats, not full of rips or tears, any sort of major wear. Closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 289. Nothing crazy or obnoxious. A nice sounding Ford V8 under the hood. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop that hood. See how it looks underneath there. Alright, look at this. Nice and tidy under here. Smooth running 289. Got some chrome dressed up valve covers. Air cleaner. Nice, tidy. Engine bay. Won't have to keep the hood down on this one at a car show. Be a great car for any of your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins in your area. How about that? There you have it, 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible, black on red with the GT style stripes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It'll take you there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd be happy to assist getting this to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.